Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I have a case for it. Now this is called the Fashion Case and it's basically says mobile cover products, and of course it says here for the iPhone 17 Pro Max it says new phone case, good quality fashion case. Alright, so fashion case, and of course it said note, please peel off this section, I guess they're saying, before using it. All right, so there's some film that's on the back here that they're telling you to remove, so that's a good idea. Like the cutout, like the presentation, and of course here's the product. It says Fashion Case mobile cover products made in China. All right, so we're gonna look at what this case is like. If I can find a similar case or this exact case, I'll link it in the description. All right. Alright, so first of all, the case itself is rubbery. That's nice, meaning it can absorb shock. I can actually see the plastic to remove on the back. You see the buttons here, and of course it gives pressable buttons, and there are sections here for cutouts for the buttons. So power on this side, action button, and so on. Alright, so I'm going to remove this. We're going to remove the cutout. Yeah, it says iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is a nice little cutout. We can always keep this. All right, and here it is. All right, so it looks very nice. What I like is that it doesn't cover up the phone in terms of there's a transparent back to see through. It has the highlights, although it's blue, it will show through the color. It shows the MagSafe icon here, and of course it feels relatively sturdy. All right, so here we have the 17 Pro Max, that is. All right, so brand new. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna slide this in so it should fit 1-to-1. All right, so we're gonna put this on. All right, so it goes on. Best to place it first, this side in first, then followed by this side last. All right, so straight away, very nice. It gives the blue from the front. The sides, you can see the buttons and the colors, very nice. Check this out, very nice here. And here it is from the back. Doesn't hide the color. Here it is from the front. I have a screen protector on. You can I'll link the video to that. You can check it out as well. All right, very nice. All right, so it doesn't hide the phone and it doesn't take away from the phone either. All right, so it doesn't hide the beauty of the phone, so you'll know it's the 17 Pro Max. And of course, here's the section that they say we should peel away after our job well done. You remove this. All right, so check it out guys. So it shows off the orange color, it doesn't hide it. All right, which is very good. Buttons are flush, everything is accessible. There's a section here for a loop, very nice. It feels really good in hand. And here we go, everything is flush and very nice. All right, loving this so far. And of course it's so nice, makes the phone pop even more. So if you like the orange color, gives you a touch of the blue, doesn't make the phone too thick, and everything is just nice. All right, it's just enough protection, heavy edge protections, especially for bump, and it does go over the edges here, so nothing is too exposed. So if it were to fall on either side, if it were to fall on its face, it's covered. Let's look at the camera bump here. The lip protects the back. Let's see if the wobble is still there. No wobble. Let's see if the wobble is here. So still a little wobble from the infamous wobble, but of course it significantly reduces it. All right, so very nice. System is up, or should I say the case is up. Install, very good. All right, so loving this so far, and of course well designed, well thought out. If you want my full review, I'll do my review later on of this case. This is an unboxing. So far I give the case thumbs up. I give it a 9 out of 10. It's well thought out, and of course on the long-term scoring will tell as to how good it is. All right, so I'll end the tutorial here. Do hope this was useful to you, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.